Hi, my name is Tanya, and this is my granddaughter Paige, and we're going to make
butternut squash pancakes.
We are. So, what is this?
Butternut squash.
It is. And this is what we're going to make our pancakes with. So what's inside the butternut squash?
Seeds.
They're seeds, you're right. You want to touch them? So how does the butternut squash grow?
Up on the ground.
In the garden?
Yes.
And what does it grow from?
Seeds.
Those seeds right there, huh?
Smell like pumpkins.
It smells like a pumpkin, you're right. Okay, so first we're going to mix our dry ingredients. And we're going to start with, what?
1.5 cup of white flour.
Okay, let's use this one first. Okay, and then what's next?
1.5 cup of wheat flour.
Okay, so you can pull it closer if you'd like. And there's 1 cup, and then 1/2 cup, and that would be this one. Very good. And what's the next ingredient?
1 cup oil.
Oats.
Oats.
There we go. And then what's the next ingredient?
1 baking powder.
2 tablespoons baking powder. And there's 1. And 2. Very good. Now something else that we like in our pancakes is what? Cinnamon?
Cinnamon.
So we'll put 1 tablespoon of cinnamon as well. And we like cinnamon, don't we?
Yes, love it.
Okay, very good. Go ahead and put it back there. And you can put your tablespoon back there. And now we're going to do what?
Mix.
We're going to mix our dry ingredients. Good job. We're now going to mix our wet ingredients. What's the first ingredient?
2 cups milk.
Okay, so here's 1 cup. And tell me when.
Okay.
There's 2 cups. Good job. What's the next ingredient?
1/4 oil.
And then what comes next?
1/4 cup honey.
All right. Does that look good? What does honey do for our pancakes?
Make them sweet.
Mm-hmm. Where does honey come from?
Bees.
Bees. Good job. And what's next on our ingredient list?
2 eggs.
2 eggs, you're right. You can put that right there. here first. That way if a shell comes into the eggs, it won't get into the rest of our stuff. There's one. You can just set it right there. And there's two. They look pretty good? They do, don't they? So, do you want to mix those for just a second? Just kind of mix it around a little bit.
It's big as the bottom of the cup.
It is as big as the bottom of the cup, you're right. Okay, so let's go ahead and pour the eggs in with the rest of our wet ingredients. There we go, very good. And now what's left?
1 cup butternut squash.
Very good. Here it comes. So, how do you think we got the butternut squash looking like this? Remember when we showed it a few minutes ago? It's hard and it has seeds in it.
We blended it.
We blended it or pureed.
Created.
Pureed it, yes. Does this make our pancakes taste good too?
Yes.
It does make them taste
It's
really
very
good.
healthy for you.
It is very healthy for you. Good job. You can go ahead and put that there. And now you can mix it gently. What happens if you don't mix it gently?
It'll splatter.
That would make a mess, wouldn't it?
Yes.
We don't want to make a mess.
Or it'll get on your carpets.
It might get on the carpet. You're right. So mix it around. The next step is to mix our wet ingredients in with our dry ingredients. Very good. Good pouring. And here's the whisk.
Getting in with a spoon.
Okay. Can I have a turn?
Yes.
Okay. We're now getting ready to cook our butternut squash pancakes. Paige is going to pour 2 pancakes onto what?
The grill.
The griddle. Okay, are you ready? Okay. There's one. And there's 2.
Looks like 2 rainbows.
So when they're cooking, do you remember what it is we look for before we can flip them?
One's puffing and bubbling.
Puffing and bubbling. So does it look like they're puffing and bubbling?
This one does.
It looks like it's got some bubbles on it, huh? So I'm going to go ahead and check, and it doesn't look like it's quite ready to turn yet. So what are we going to put on our butternut squash pancakes, do you think?
Blueberries or yogurt or raspberries.
Mm-hmm. What else?
Blackberries.
Blackberries would be good, huh?
Strawberries.
Strawberries. Do you like peanut butter on your pancakes?
And syrup.
And syrup? Well, I think today we're going to use peanut butter and honey on our pancakes. And have some raspberries to go with that. and our yogurt. Huh. So do you think the pancakes look ready yet?
This one does.
Let's check. Ooh, that looks really good. There's one. It's puffing up.
Geeky!
Should we check and see if the other one's ready? That looks good too.
That one's puffing.
Mm-hmm. So is this hot or cold?
H-O-T. Hot.
Right, you're right. Those look like really good pancakes, don't they?
I think this is done.
It might be done, you're right. And there you have butternut squash pancakes with peanut butter and honey, raspberries, and vanilla yogurt. Have a great day. Thank you.